Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you? So in this video, we are going to show you how you can utilize your Excel knowledge. Being a creator, being a channel runner, if you have the uh, asset means you are well equipped with the Excel, then you can improve your analytics. The analytical reports which you can customize for your own as per your own needs, and you can tailor made reports. You can make tailor-made reports, tailoring your own needs, and and not only for your own self, but as we have shown in our previous videos, that since each video has a description, each description has some link of the lesson file. Lesson files are placed in Excel, so you can use those linked files which are linked on the OneDrive. So you can use those files as a measure, as a mean to get connected with your audience and keep them updated with the list something latest, whatever from the dashboard. Some parts of this dashboard you would like your viewers to see, and that would help them, right? So as you can see that we have downloaded the popular videos statistics from YouTube. We named it as my popular video, so and developed this system uh, which automatically hyperlinks all your videos and with all these statistics, and we share these statistics with our audience, right? And with the click of button, it starts loading all your lesson files, and it opens each file, and it uh, or insert this file. First of all, it checks if this sheet is already there in that book. Then first of all, it deletes that file and replace it. And it deletes that sheet and replay and put again this sheet, the latest version of this sheet, in your workbook, right? So in our previous video, we showed you that we used these functions, right? And these functions allow you uh, to see that what went, how was your system processing. Yeah, so you don't need to show this to, but this is for your own sake. Some things you want to show to the viewers, that is this one, and something you would like to monitor, that how long is your system is taking. 34 minutes and 33 to cover what, to get done the job for 405 files out of the, and 15 were not done, right? Okay, so this is very interesting, and this is very important. It becomes very important when you see that the majority of the things are done. That's fine. Okay, if there are some cases, so how many are they? They are 15. Okay, like this. Yeah, you say these are the 15, some 15 fair. What happened to them? The error log tells you that that it is not done. Otherwise, all the others are done. So since the system could not open a file, maybe it was used by some program from some user, or the file was already open. So it has jumped its file and giving you the details of it, right? So so all of the others are done, and the summary is presented to you. So what is it is using to give you this summary? That is the count if function. So this is our today's topic. What is conditional formatting and how the count if works, right? Count if is a conditional counting on the of some location. This is the location of cells, right? So conditional. So what is the condition? The criteria is that where in this location done is written, right? Done is written. Okay, so if the done is written, so those only, it will count only those which are done is written, right? And for the ones which are not done, so count in this location where done is not written. Or where count means this is the criteria range one, that count in this location where done is not written. This how we say that where the done is not written. So that's if we omit this thing, this is another thing, that where and the cells are not blank. That's otherwise it will bring a very strange for you, the number that is so many rows. How can this exceed the total done, right? Like this, huh? So why? Because it is counting the blank cells, right? So this is how, in order for you to include um, only the ones which are not blank, so you will narrow down it using this. Count only those cells which are not blank. So this way you do this, okay? And count only those cells in the E range in which the done is written, right? Is not written, where the done is not written, right? So that makes the exact figure of 15 were those which could not be opened to update. So you can do the needful by individually opening in them, and or run the process again when the files are open, right? So this is the beauty of Excel, the power of VBA, with which you can use these functions. So we showed you the details of the formulas, and these formulas are very useful. And for the beginners, it is very important that we learn all these functions and apply them. So this is a real world data example which we have shown you, that how to use it, how to tackle that situation in which you have so many huge data, maybe, and you have to find out how many are done and or how many matching to a certain criteria, right? So countif is the function that aids your data analysis, and this is called conditional counting. And uh, and think of other scenarios, like you have, for example, huge data of sales data. Normally, sales data in big companies are so huge. It comes in a number of GB, gigabyte data and tables. So to find out a certain condition matching for that, so counting if will speed up your analysis, and it will save your time and tedious things, the tiresome searching of the information. And it is actually game changer. It is a time saver for complex data analysis. Uh, and when you automate the things and using VBA, so it expedites the process. Also, uh, let's mastering this technique will and with unlock a new level of Excel efficiency for beginners, and so they should master all these beautiful functions. They are available in the VBA and also available in the Excel functions, and using that will improve your professionalism look, the look of professionalism in your products, right, in your applications. So it helps you solve the complex data analysis problems, right? Uh, and you can use it to explore the advanced techniques, uh, and provide uh, and provide the analytical data, analytical reports to your viewers, right? So. And it is used to the more you use so it optimizes your code, VBA code. Otherwise, if you are not using it without using those desired functions, your code will be very lengthy, and it will lack in the professionalism, right? And so the COUNTIF is actually, it's a the more you use it, you will uh, use the advanced counting strategies, right? So it helps you to use the advanced counting strategies as well. Okay, so this was our intention to show you. So let's get to the channel and download the latest uh, uh, statistics, and we run the program. Okay. Okay, so what we do here is we go to the channel analytics. In the analytics, we are going to make it. So let's go to the see more, and then we make it lifetime, not 28 days. Normally, as a default, it shows 28 days. So take it to the lifetime. How? So, so these are your lifetime images, and all the contents are they get listed in here. Then you sort it in the order of subscribers. It is preferable. You can use other criteria for sorting as well, but so sometimes this will happen that it's so you can use the weight so that it refreshes. Yeah. Okay. Sometimes this data is still processing, and this it's okay, not fine. Let it process. But you have the partial report already available for you. Okay. So you have all these statistics available, and then you can please check back later. It is saying, so let's change it so that we don't have a uh, incorrect extraction of this settles. Then we will download it in our download folder. All these steps can also be done automatically using the VBA, but our today's topic to remain to simplify the things. We do not want to jump in every front and to confuse the people. So we are doing it in a simple manner that we download it so manually. But this can be done automatically also. sometime, some other time, inshallah, we will show you how these all process can be done automatically. Okay. So you see these files, these are there. So there are some unconfirmed download because the system is taking long to refresh it, what has been downloaded. Okay, so otherwise this should go away. The new file, uh, it's a Chrome download profile is not yet deleted, so it may be risky that you get an incomplete download. Anyway, we see it. If it is looks fine, then fine, and then we can proceed. Yes. Okay. So let's see the download folder. If yeah, then our download folder, yes, that file is removed now. So it means it is all okay. Okay. So all we need to do is uh, first of all we go to our topic to our this folder. We save this. We save this note because we want to get it reappear later on once the pasting is done. So we will paste in here. Okay. So we press Control A in the source position, making sure that the selection covers all the desired part, and then we put we do Control V or pastes. Okay. So this gets pasted, but the the link, the hyperlinking is lost, but it will return as soon as you click it, back. So these are placed back, because in the worksheet activate event, we have mentioned it that as soon as this sheet is activated, the hyperlink to be placed on every entry. In which column? In the B column. Yeah, in the B column. Yeah. So hyperlinking is being replaced. That's replaced. Okay. So this how we have now we bring back the thing which we placed it temporarily so that it is not lost. It's a helpful hint for the viewers that they can use these hyperlinks to watch the desired video. Okay. So that's it. So we are ready to run the procedure, and we will start it by getting started here, right? So what we do is, first of all, we click start and we start from the beginning. Okay, so it will start doing it. Okay, so since it has deleted a row, all those rows, so that's why this reference is given. So instead of delete in the view, we should write clear contents or clear, clear contents or clear, or just clear, so that this problem will not occur. Okay, so let's start from this. So that's not a big issue. Well, we will show you that this will be resolved, right? Not So it has started from the first file, and I starting updating the one link, the files which are stored on the OneDrive, and these files are getting available for the audience with the latest picture of our popular videos in the lesson files. Okay, so you can use these files. You can use the file description, the video description, in which you share the lesson files, and these files can work mm, for you to communicate your latest updates for your audience. Right? Okay, thank you very much for watching.